Suppose you have to draw a function, draw the graph of a function, and let's take the question, draw the graph of the function which is fx equals x square. Now the first thing we do is we write it as y equals x square, and then we make a t-chart. That means for values of x, what is the value of y? So let's start with 0. When x equals to 0, y equals to 0. Next, when x equals to 1, y equals to root over 1. Root over 1 is plus minus 1. That means when x equals to 1, y equals to plus minus 1. Next, when x equals to 2, when x equals to 2, y equals to 2 to the 4. Here we have made some mistake for ones here. When x equals to 1, y equals to 1 square, that is 1 itself. When x equals to 2, y equals to 2 square, that is 2 to the 4. Similarly, we check some other values. Let's take minus 1. When x equals to minus 1, y still remains the same. That means 1. When x equals to minus 2, y still remains the same, 4. So this way we can check with some values of x what is the value of y, and then we plot these values in a graph. Let's take the graph this way. This is my x-axis and my y-axis is here. And we mark these axes with arrow marks because they can extend both ways. This is my 0 origin. Now see, for value of x equals to 0, y equals to 0. That means here. Before that I mark this axis as x prime. This is y prime. Okay, now when x equals to 0, y equals to 0. So I have this point here. When x equals to 1, y equals to 1, somewhere here. When x equals to 2, y equals to 4, positive 4, that means above origin. It can be 1, 2, 3, 4, somewhere here. And when x equals to minus 1 is in the right side, in the left side of 0, that means here, minus 1. Y equals to 1, positive 1, that is above origin, which is here. And then when x equals to minus 2, that means here, y is still 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. And then I join these points which I have got. So I can see I have got this way and this way. So somewhat like this. It should be more perfect when you draw it in your copy, but it can be understandable that I get a shape like this, which is a parabola function. So y equals to x square function is given by this graph. I extend them by showing with arrows. So these are my points, and this graph is showing y equals to x square.